Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the demonstration of echocardiogram based heart disease detection system using deep learning. For this purpose, we are using convolutional neural network algorithm and Python as a programming language, along with the Flask framework of Python, which is used to create web application. And also at the front end side, we are using HTML and CSS coding. So before we begin, let's understand something about the echocardiogram. So echocardiogram is some sort of ultrasound or it's a ultra sonic imaging which is done around the heart, and also it measures the flow of blood inside the vessels or the arteries near the heart. So it analyzes how the blood is flowing through the arteries and also how the heart is performing. So all these things can be calculated using echocardiogram, and doctor use this particular technique to find out any disease associated with the heart. Now we are going to train the model, and for that we are having the data set. This is the data set available to us. On this data set, the model will be trained, and once the model is trained on that data set, so we will be able to upload ultrasonic image and then it will predict the probable heart disease. So these are the various diseases that can be detected using this particular technique. After we have trained the model, we have this kind of accuracies is quite high. It's good accuracy. Also, the loss curve is better, and this is how we can expect the results from the convolutional neural networks. So as the CNN is used, the deep learning algorithm having good accuracy. And now let's talk about how to run this project. So once you are running the project or the project is on the running state, then you are on this page, and this is the first home page. Some information or static information is being displayed here, and there is some important page or dynamic page called this page, and here actually you can upload the images and you can predict the disease. For example, let's talk about this one. So I will pick this image and then upload and then test. Then I'm getting this is which is correct prediction. If I choose from any other category, now this is actually you can take these images from the internet as well. For now we are using the dataset images to test, but it can be any real patient's uh, ultrasound as well. So this is how it will identify disease, and it will be a tool for doctors for diagnosis, and the doctor can easily identify the disease associated with the heart based on this kind of ultrasonic images upload. So that's the complete implementation and demo of this project. In case you need the code of this project or any support regarding the implementation of this project, then you can check the description box under this video. Thank you.